Right guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a repair job. What happened, I had a leak in the loft. The water's run through the ceiling. Lucky enough it just damaged this wall. I was away for the weekend and I've had a result really. And it's blew the plaster basically. So what I've done, I've scraped it all off. You can see it all on the floor guys. Wife's not happy. I put 2 towels down for it. I grab what I can see, mate. But yeah, she's going to have a go at me when she gets home. But what I've done, I've scraped all the way back till it meets resistance. And then I've beveled all the edges all the way round. So when I plaster it, I'll be joining it up to like the original. There. So I won't be feathering it in over here, so it just goes up to there. So I've scarred it all up again. I'm going to SBR it. 100% SBR, no water attached to it. Let that go off for an hour. And then I'm going to plaster it. But I originally thought it was just the paint that had come off, but it's ruined all the wall. I was lucky really just to get away with that. Which is, believe it or not, I'm quite happy with. So, what to do next? I'm going to knock these raw plugs down. I've got my multi-tool because when I'm plastering I don't want it catching on my trowel. So I'm going to knock them down a bit. I've tried knocking them in obviously, but just going to buzz them out. Make my life easier. And like I said, I've scarred the bejesus out of this. I'm probably going to give it 2 coats. It's going to need a little bit of filler, especially round here, because you can't plaster that. Just going to need a little bit of love and attention. See how we get on, guys. Right, happy wife, happy life. I've covered the floor. I've covered the towels. They're still down there with all the crap on them, but I'm going to SBR this wall so at least I won't ruin the towels. He says. Right, it's amazing how many tools you have to gather just to do silly little jobs. And here I go now, looking for stuff. Because that's what you do, isn't it? I'm trying not to make a job for myself fixing this, because normally when I fix something, I break something. Bit deep there, but the bracket's going over that. It don't matter. Right, what next? I need to dust down this wall. Very important that you do this, guys. Open the window. Oh boy. Repairing takes wall. No, mate, when she gets home. Why not?
You made a mess.
Yeah, I know what you've got to do. You've got to make a mess.
Does he know you've done that? What? You don't know you've done that?
No, don't tell him. It's
oh my God, he's going to kill you.
Do what? Why are you
mess.
going to kill me?
Covered up and up.
Cover it up then.
All his clean clothes, mate. His work uniform. He's going to have a shit fit, Dad.
That's fine, dust off. It's just a little bit of dust. That's it now, it's done. It'll have to be the dusty fireman when it goes to work. Always something, isn't it? Always something Daddy does wrong. Hey?
Mess up.
Yeah, I'd like to see you do it and keep it clean.
I would have covered it all up.
Well, go on then.
Dust sheets. I ain't doing it.
Oh, there you go. You won't do it.
Where am I going to find dust sheets?
Why should I?
Just throw one load of old bedding.
There's a dust sheet in the thingy, Sam. You want to get it for me?
Where?
In the thingy.
In the shed.
Yeah. No, go and get it. I'll chuck it over, seeing as you said it. No, well, you know. Been told off already. Right, so that's done. I got my SBR. What? They're down there, where they normally are. What? Look about you. They're not in my pocket now. Right, it's been a couple of hours. This is bone dry now. Let's do some plastering. And we're giving it 2 coats. The secret of plastering is just get it on the wall. Don't fluff about with it. Hopefully I've knocked up enough. Because I ain't going back downstairs. I've knocked up enough. Like I say, just get it on the wall. That's the secret. Get it on the wall. Be quick. What is that? What is this crap in here? I think I've got a wrong bag of plaster. It's drying on me. It's brand new. We should get around it. That is, without that, the worst bag of plaster I've ever had. %100%. Ugh. That is the worst wall I've ever plastered. I'll own up to it. I don't know why it's gone like that, but my guess, it's just a bad bag. Right, I'm going to leave that alone for about 20 minutes and give it a second coat. It's literally gone off. The heating's not on. I don't know why it's done that. Let's just say a bad day at the office. That is bad. Bad. If I start pulling it, it's going to start pulling away from the wall. 100%. Let's see if I can save this situation. I'm confident I can. It's weird because the plaster on the wall, in the bucket, sorry, hasn't gone off. But I think where I've had the window open, that didn't help the situation. I'm sure with another coat I'll pull that back. I'll pull it back. I might have to just feather this in now. I didn't want to, but I don't think I will actually, because I didn't SBR completely all the way around it. I kind of kept it close to where I needed to plaster, so I won't be doing that. It'll come out alright in the end. It's the end result, isn't it, guys? I'd like to know what's happened there. I think, again, I've said it 3 times, I think it's the wrong bag of plaster, and just a rogue naughty one. Might have been old. I know I can check the date on it, but it's in the car, I can't be bothered. Yeah, wow. Oh, if I let that be dangerous. Where are you? Leave it. Right, second coat. I don't know where you can see this, but it's all done. The thing is, I haven't got my proper trowel. The trowel I'm using has got tiny little scratches in it. So I'm having to use this Morphina. ideal, but needs must. I'm going to get a sponge and clean all this off, all the dust around here. I'm blending it in now. Probably going to give it one more polish after this. That's done. Oosh! Refine to the rescue. It's done the job. Like I say, I'm going to let that go off. Go around with the brush and really clean up all these edges. And that's it. I've got a little bit of making good there. Let that go off a bit, and because it came out, it dug out. I had a murder with this wall. Nightmare. Plus I can't see in here, bloody dark as anything. Needs a good clean now. I've been a little bit too messy today, but I am a messy worker. And what I'll do tomorrow, I'll go over with a sander all the way around the edges, get it looking nice. A few little bits up here, I'm going to fill any little things that are showing through. And that's it, job done. Give myself about 6 out of 10 for that, I reckon. But like I say, the bag of plaster I used, it went off straight away. It was a nightmare. But I've pulled it back. You can see where it's starting to go off now. Like when you start getting these dark patches, that's when you should be polishing it now. And but there's parts of it that are still wet and parts of it that are dry. It's weird. Never mind. Right, happy days.